Mila's English Class and School presents Daily Phrase Dose. Caught red-handed. To be found doing an immoral act such as cheating or stealing.
At work, the manager walked into the office late at night and caught the intern red-handed trying to steal office supplies.
In school, the student was caught red-handed copying answers from her classmate during the exam. At home, I caught my little brother red-handed sneaking cookies from the jar before dinner.
In a legal situation, the thief was caught red-handed by the police as he was breaking into the car. In a relationship, she caught him red-handed reading her private messages on her phone.
Look at these examples in contextual sentences.
Caught red-handed, eh, lad?
Afraid we've been caught red-handed, right, Ellis?
So I caught him red-handed doing nothing?
He was not pleased.
Yeah, he's been caught red-handed.
Over the scene, and I caught you red-handed making a hostage video.
Caught you red-handed!
You two were caught red-handed robbing a bank.
What more do you need?
They caught him red-handed.
Aha! Caught red-handed, Marinette Dupenchang.
Guess you caught me red-handed.
And you caught me red-handed.
Please like, comment and subscribe for more English learning videos.